LCD replacement on MacBook Air, a 2337 laptop. Thank you, Sir Alberts Vincent, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The reason for the replacement is that the LCD is cracked. We understand that your device's LCD screen is cracked, which can significantly impact its functionality and user experience. Replacing the LCD is the best course of action in this situation, as it will restore your laptop's display to its original quality, ensuring a clear, vibrant, and fully responsive screen. However, we assure you that our technicians at PTT Solutions are highly skilled and experienced, dedicated to providing top-quality service with meticulous attention to detail. Each repair is handled with the utmost care, using the best tools and components available to ensure your device is restored to optimal condition. Our team is committed to delivering reliable, efficient solutions while maintaining the highest standards of professionalism and customer satisfaction. You can trust that your device is in good hands with our expert technicians. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.